do that? I mean, come on. I don't date nerds.
I would hope so.
But you guys will not believe. Oh no. Look who's coming.
Hi, Brian.
What do you want?
Just wondering if I could talk to Brian.
No. We dropped you weeks ago because you're a freak. Now get lost.
But I was talking to Brian, not either of you.
I have an idea. Go shove your face down an anthill. And what do you think you're wearing?
Brian?
He doesn't want to talk to you, weirdo. There's an anthill out back.
Okay, I'm going to need you two to shut it, like right now. I'm not talking to you, so how about you go visit that anthill that you're so interested in?
Brian doesn't want to talk to you.
Maddie, Christy, leave for a second so I can talk to Sarah.
Whatever. Yeah, whatever.
What do you want?
I want to know what happened to us.
Things changed.
I love you, Brian.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, listen. If you do my trig homework for me, then I might consider being your boyfriend again.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do it.
Cool. Okay. Bye.
Okay, now to do Brian's homework.
Okay, so sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. A trigonometric ratio is a ratio of the lengths of two sides in a triangle. Okay, not that bad, except for I tend to forget how to set up the ratios. What helps me remember is what my geometry teacher, Mrs. Barger, taught the class. So, katoa. So being for sine, ka being for cosine, and toa being for tangent. Now let's see here. Problem number 1 asks me to solve for x in a triangle. It has a 53-degree angle and a side that is 11 units. I have to figure out whether I use sine, cosine, or tangent to solve the problem. Since the side that is 11 units is opposite the 53-degree angle and x is the hypotenuse of the triangle, I'll be using sine to solve the problem. That makes sense. The ratio for sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so your ratio will look like the sine of 53 equals 11 over x. Then you cross multiply, and you should get that the sine of 53 times x equals 11. Then you divide each side by the sine of 53, and you should get, for your answer, that x is approximately 13.77.
Brian!
Oh, great. What, Sarah?
I finished your homework for you.
Thanks.
So...
No.
Ew, what are you doing here? You talking to us is not normal.
Yeah, neither is you having your own little clone.
Come on, Christy, we don't have to deal with this. Yeah, we don't.
Brian, will you be my boyfriend again?
See, here's the thing. I didn't understand my trig homework today either. Think you could do it again?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, peace out.
Well, I'm stuck doing Brian's homework again, but I'll do anything for us to get back together. Okay, so I'm dealing with the same thing I dealt with last night. Sine, cosine, and tangent ratios. It's easy to get the three mixed up. So question number 1 asks me to find the tangent of angle A and angle B. Well, that's easy. Tangent is opposite over adjacent because it's the toa of SOHCAHTOA. So to find the tangent of angle A, I would write that the tangent of angle A equals 24 over 7. Then you'll simplify the fraction, and for your answer, you should get that the tangent of angle A is approximately 3.43. Now to find the tangent of angle B. Again, tangent is opposite over adjacent, so the ratio would be that the tangent of angle B equals 7 over 24. When you simplify the fraction, you should get for your answer that the tangent of angle B is approximately 0.29. Okay, so question number 2 asks me to use a sine or cosine ratio to find the value of each variable. So first, I think I'm going to solve for r. R is adjacent to angle 43, and 26 is the hypotenuse of the triangle. So to find r, I'll have to use cosine, which is the c of SOHCAHTOA, being adjacent over hypotenuse. My ratio will look like the cosine of 43 equals r over 26. Cross multiply, and you'll get that the cosine of 43 times 26 equals r. So then, you'll multiply the cosine of 43 times 26, and for your answer, you'll get that r is approximately 19.02 units. Now to find s. S is opposite the 43-degree angle, and 26 is the hypotenuse. I will use sine to solve for s because sine is the SO of SOHCAHTOA and its ratio is opposite over hypotenuse. So you'll get that the sine of 43 equals s over 26. Cross multiply and you'll get that the sine of 43 times 26 equals s. Multiply the sine of 43 and 26 and you'll get that s is approximately 17.73 units.
Hey Sarah, what you doing?
Trigonometry homework.
What? Why? We had math last semester.
It's Brian's.
Why in the world are you doing his homework for him? Is he paying you or something?
Not exactly.
What's going on?
He told me if I did his homework for him, he might consider being my boyfriend again.
Have you gone totally nuts? Don't you realize Brian is using you? He doesn't care about you guys getting back together. He just wants someone to do his homework for him.
Oh, whatever, Briana. You're just jealous. We love each other.
Okay, you're delusional. I'm leaving.
See if I care. Brian!
What now?
Your homework. I did it for you.
Ha! You have her doing your homework for you? Wow, this is priceless. Yeah, priceless. Zip it, Christy.
Brian, so now will you be my boyfriend again?
What is going on here? Yeah, it's gross.
Sarah, I don't like you at all. And I will never, ever be your boyfriend again. Ever. So would you please just leave me alone and quit being a creep?
But
Ooh, ouch. That must have hurt Sarah. Trash cans are great places for people like you to hide. Let's go, guys.
that's why I didn't give you your homework.
Sweetheart, I don't think they heard that. I just saw all that happened.
Oh, Briana, you were right. I should have listened to you.
Yeah, you should have. But you were blinded by feelings he wouldn't return.
I'm never making that mistake again.
Or doing someone's homework again, right? 'Cause that's cheating. I'll make sure I never leave you again when you need me.
Dude, let's dance. It'll make you feel so much better.